Hi everyone, this is Toby again with NEPA Builders, and today's expert tip is on metal roofing. If you're interested in a metal roof for your home, but you don't know if it's the right choice, here are a few pointers that may help you to make your decision. Number 1, they look great. Metal roofs add a unique architectural design to a home. Number 2, they can weather the toughest storms. Metal roofs have the highest quality ratings for wind, fire, and impact resistance. This saves money on costly repairs and keeps you and your family safe. Number 3, the life of the metal roof is expected to last 3 times longer than a shingle roof. Number 4, they are good for the environment. Metal roofs are recyclable and energy efficient, which is a win for you and Mother Earth. For more tips and information, you can visit our website, YouTube channel, or any of our social media platforms. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.